Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Am I audible? Are you getting my voice?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, yes. No problem, sir.
Yes,
Are
sir.
you getting my voice?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
We are
sir.
getting you.
Yeah, are you getting my voice?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, am I audible? Hello? Hello? Am I audible?
Yes, yes. All are audible. No problem. All are audible.
Okay, fine.
Sir, am I audible?
So that I have already clear in the, I will not take this in much detail. That I have already clear in this one IoT lecture, where what basically, because we today in the technological world we are encountering with the latest technologies in the form of self-organizing network, SDN, software-defined network, artificial, and we are moving towards the artificial intelligence in the form of machine learning and deep learning, and we are moving towards the robotics or the cobotics or humanoid, whatever you want to say. So three words are there: robotics, cobotics, and the humanoids. Can you tell me the difference about the what basically a difference is there in these three? Cobotics and robotics are clear. What is humanoid? Anurag, what is humanoid? Have you heard the word humanoid?
Sir, these are humans having some robotic
Priyal,
parts.
can you tell me about the what basically humanoid is? Are you getting my voice, Priyal? Are you getting my voice? Rameshji, can you tell
Sir,
me what
am I audible to
basically a
you?
humanoid is?
Sir, are you able to get me?
Are you getting my voice or not? Neha, are you there in the chat room? In the meeting room, are
Yes,
you
sir.
there?
Yes, sir. Hello? Sir, am I
Diksha, are you
audible?
getting my voice? Okay, Neha, can you tell me the difference between the humanoid and cobots? Neha, can you tell me the difference
Yes,
between the
sir.
humanoids and the cobots?
Yes, sir. So basically, cobots are the machine
Have you heard the word
which will work.
humanoid?
Sir, I can guess. Sir, according to me, humanoids will be.
Sir, it seems we all are getting you, but you are not getting us. Sir, are you getting me? Sir, am I audible to you, sir?
Sir, अब आ रही है, sir, अब आ रही है. So can you tell me about the what is the difference between the humanoid and the cobots? Have you heard the word humanoid?
Sir, these are machines with artificial intelligence.
Okay, and what about the cobots?
Cobots.
Sir, basically what you are telling, it deals with the cobots. Okay, it deals with the basically in case of robots also you have some sort of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence
Yes,
is
sir.
nothing but just like a brain. You have the body but in the form of machinery, and you want to put the brain over that machinery. Okay, over that machinery, that means you are putting the AI inside that machine. In case of cobots, cobot is nothing but a machines, okay, that can work beautifully with the humans in a collaborative manner, just like your friend, okay, just like your friend. Another thing is the humanoid is just like a cobot but with having human body. just like a human body shape. Okay, so don't be confused with the humanoid is separate one or the cobots are separate one. Both are the same. Both are same. Humanoids also have the just like a cobots, but only difference is human-like body. And the best example for this humanoid is Sophia. Have you heard the word Sophia? Do you know the Sophia?
Yes.
है ना? First humanoid. First
And
humanoid.
from Saudi Arabia.
Ha, definitely, sir. First human body. Okay, human cobotic body, you can say. Okay, I will share this video. Very beautiful video is there for the humanoid in WhatsApp learning group. Okay, so today I will share about this one. So what basically SDN? What is the difference between the SDN? This one software defined network. What basically software defined network is? Can anybody tell?
Sir, data plane and control plane are different in SDN.
Okay, very good. Any other?
In software-driven network, we have 80% of software plus 20% of hardware. Whereas in software-defined network, there is 95% of hardware.
Excellent.
This network.
Which one, sir?
Hello.
I am getting, sir. Tell me, sir. Tell me. So SDN is the software defined network. Earlier version was the software driven network. Okay, in case of software driven network, one formula you can say 80% of software and 20% of hardware. Your next generation network is nothing but a just like a case of this software driven network. Your engine is not a software defined network. In case of software defined network, it will be a 94% of this built up with the software and 5% of hardware it will comprise of. And further your application is matured enough and your application will define how your network should look like, how your network should look like in the form of this your SDN will be built up. And further, whenever we are saying SDN, definitely don't forget about the concept of network concept virtualization. Whenever we are saying 95% of software will be there, that means complete virtualization will be there. Software means virtualization will be there. And what basically virtualization is there, we have discussed enough inside the IoT part, in the cloud part, in the form of fog computing and edge computing. Any doubt so far?
Sir, please, sir, once again.
No.
Hello?
No, sir.
Sir, audible? Hello?
Huh?
Sir, am I audible?
Yeah, Neha, I am getting your voice.
Yes, so basically light went away and my connection was broken.
Like clear नहीं हो रही, आवाज clear नहीं आ रही. Please through the chat. Please ask through the chat. Okay, voice is not clear. You can ask through the chat. Yes, you want to ask something about the SDN? Neha, you want to ask something? Okay, whenever voice will be there, okay, you can raise your question. You note down the whatever you want to ask, or you can ask me in the WhatsApp group also, in the learning group. So this is the SON, that is the self-organizing network. Basically, three verticals are there inside the SON: self-healing, self-configuration, and self-optimization. What do we mean about the self-optimization? What do we mean about the self-optimization? Anurag ji, can you tell?
As per requirement,
Yes,
it allocate resources.
Yes, definitely. Because at
As per
present we have
requirement,
to,
it
yes, at present basically we have to manually allocate the things. We have to manually arrange the things, and we have to manually feed the things basically or intelligence, so that self-optimization can be there. But in case of latest technologies or the latest built-up technologies like Industry 4.0, this is the main theme about that. Everything will be as per the analysis of data, everything will be self-optimized. And whenever we are saying the self optimization, two things that don't forget about that: self healing and self configuration. Self healing and self configuration, don't forget about this one. Two words are there. Okay, that means at present we have a manual interference is there whenever some fault is occurring, so there is no self healing type of things are there. Okay, so in case of SON technology, SON based network, self healing will be there. System will automatically gets the powerful to heal if some fault is there or some major fault is there. Through the, it will take the help of digital twin that I have discussed in case of IoT much enough. And it can go to the, with the help of cloud also, it can take the software update or whatever it may be. So self healing will be there. And self configuration means just simply plug and play. Okay, in case of smart router or smart this one SDN controller also, you only need to define the network. Okay, for only one time you need to define the controller neighbor. Okay, controller neighbor or the data plane or what basically application type is there. After that, it will automatically describe the configuration. It will be automatically described, and it will prepare your open flow table, and according to that your data plane will work. It will be simply a forwarding plane or forwarding devices in case of data plane or SDN based network. Is that clear? All these things are clear? Is that clear? Anurag, are you getting my voice? Is there some problem with the system?
please
No,
repeat.
Audio is not proper.
Very blurred.
Why? Audio is not proper. Shall I
Audio is
reconnect?
not
Shall I
clear.
reconnect?
Sir, now it's okay. Please repeat.
Okay. Sir, thing is like that. Whenever we are discussing the Industry 4.0 or the latest technology, okay, latest technology, we have to clarify one thing. Basically, it is very much essential. Okay, we should know the concept of self-organizing network. Whenever we are saying the self-organizing network, the basic pillar of this one is the self-optimization. And self-optimization is nothing but a to optimize, self-optimize the things. Okay, allocate to manage or allocate the things automatically or on basis. Okay, and whenever we are working with the self-optimization, self-healing will also come into the existence, and self-configuration will also be come into the picture. Self-healing means some fault, suppose some minor fault occurs, so your machine or system should be much capable to automatically come out with this situation. Whenever major fault is there, it can take the help of digital twin also, or it can take the help of cloud also. Okay, and somehow with the help of this edge computing or the fog computing also, your system will be capable to done with this deal with this some minor fault, or automatically self healing will be there. After that, self configuration, it is just like a simply plug and play. I have taken the example of this SDN controller. In case of SDN controller, only thing is you need to define your network only at once. Okay, you need to define your controller neighbors, or what type of network is there, how many nodes are there, at only once. After that, your controller will do each and everything. It will prepare the smart routing table in the form of open flow, and simply it will pump to the this data plane, and data plane will only work as a forwarding device or the forwarding plane, just like that. So in case of self optimization, your quality, coverage, capacity, bandwidth, interface, handoff, these things will come inside that one. And in case of this monitoring, mobility, signal quality, traffic, these things will be there. Configuration means auto plus simply plug and play. Self-learning will be there in case of self-configuration. Self-learning is the new part inside the SON part. Basically, from your data gathering, data collection, your network or your basically self-organization node will automatically learn the things about the behavior of your subscriber or the behavior of the users. Okay, according to that configuration will be automatically changed. At present, entire thing will be done by the manual portion, but in nearby future, your as earlier I have told, your SDN is a service based architecture or the service oriented architecture. So depending upon this one, depending upon your application need, so this self learning will be there. Okay, self learning will be there, and automatically self configuration will be there. And in case of self healing, your maintenance side, failure, neighborhood, localization, outage, power, all these things will be managed automatically at the edge end basically. So is that clear? Any doubt inside that? Any
It's
doubt?
okay, sir.
It is okay. Now my voice
Yes,
is
sir.
clear, sir.
Sir,
Okay. Okay, Neha is asking the difference between
Tell the difference between
robot, cobot and humanoid. Neha basically,
sir, please tell the difference between and humanoids. Yes, sir.
Neha basically robot is nothing but a robot is designed to perform some certain task, just like a addition, subtraction. My voice is clear? My voice is clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear.
Okay.
Yes.
Basically,
Now clear, sir, clear.
robots are designed to
Ye-
perform some
yes,
certain tasks, just
yes.
like addition. If
Very
you made one robot and feed the intelligence just like that, it is designed for to act some addition. Okay, so it will not perform the subtraction if needed. But in case of robots, self-learning process is there. They will learn from the humans. Just like that कि आपका कोई friend है या आपकी कोई friend बनी, वो आपको initially very early stage पे आपको नहीं जानेगी, लेकिन whenever she or he will learn from you कि हाँ आपकी liking क्या है, behavior pattern क्या है. So according to that, your very beautiful collaboration will be there between you and your friends. So just like in case of cobots also, machines especially designed with the deep learning models or intelligence algorithms inside the AI, they are the cobots. And your humanoids are nothing but a cobots, but just
Today,
but
all
shape,
India network is very poor.
I think there is some problem with my net today. Is my voice is clear?
now clear, sir.
On and off. Sometimes it is clear, sometimes it
So
goes
can
off.
we do one thing? Reconnect the meeting.
Yes, sir.
है
We
ना?
can
Yes,
do.
sir.
Be better.
Yes,
It
sir,
will be
reconnect.
better, and
Yes, sir.
this is the only option. This is the only option.
Sir, please reconnect.
Yes.
Okay, I'm
Yes, sir.
reconnecting the thing. And please stay. Don't go.